In today's lesson, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can set out of office messages in Outlook. The first thing to do is to head over to your Chrome browser and open a new tab, then type Microsoft 365. If you have an account, make sure to log in. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up and then log in, okay? I will log in. I'll go ahead and log into my account. After logging into your account, head over to Outlook because that is what we are focusing on today. This is how Outlook's interface looks like. I don't have any messages currently over here. So the next thing to do is to head over to settings, head over to account, and then navigate your mouse to automatic replies. After selecting automatic replies over here, make sure to turn on automatic replies and then check this box that says send replies only during the time period. You then go ahead and customize the start date and the end date. Now, the start date, the date that you would want people to start receiving this out of office message. So you go ahead and click on it and then you select from the calendar. We can say we'll start receiving this from January. So let's pick January 1st of January 2026 and the end time. The end time can be 31st and then you select the time, say 9 o'clock in the morning and then you go with 6 o'clock in the evening. Now you can also check this box that says block my calendar for this period. When you check this box, it means that you're not going to receive any message because you've blocked your calendar for this particular period. But in case you still want to receive messages, but then you won't be able to respond to them, or you have this automatic reply that whenever messages comes in, it automatically sends this particular message to the people that send you this particular message. So that's that for blocking your calendar. And this option that says that automatically decline new invitations for events because you will not be available for this time frame. In case you want to decline new invitations, you can go ahead and check this box. Then you can also decline and cancel meetings during this particular period. All this is going to be automatic, so what you have to do is just check these boxes. Now you come over to the message box and type the message that the automatic message that you would want people to receive. I'll just go ahead and type something here and say, hello, I am currently unavailable. I will attend to you on 1st February 2026. 2026. And then you can check this box to say that send replies only to contact. In case you want to send this automatic message to only your contact, you can check this box. But in case you want everybody that sends you email to receive this particular automatic message, then you leave this box and check. You can also format, you select your text. You can format by choosing the bold option. You have italic, you have the font size, and then you have the font type. Okay, you can use these formatting options to format your text, and when you are done, you click on save. After clicking on save, your message will be saved for you. So now when somebody sends you a message between the time frame that is specified, the automatic message is going to be sent to them. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I will respond to them. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.